Bonjour, we are back at République with Tiffany.
What's up? Je suis là.
You say je suis là, yes. We're gonna finally try what we wanted to do in one of the latest vlogs. Try the best croissant in Paris. I think we're gonna make many videos about the croissant because we have many good bakeries, boulangeries. But let's try some of the best that are near République.
C'est parti, let's go.
The bike lanes, the bikes in Paris, they have no rules. There are some wild bikes. Like they won't stop if you want to cross the road. Even if it's red, they won't stop.
No.
Are we just complaining like boomers? Like, yeah, I'm afraid of elevators. Today we are starting with this boulangerie. It's called Du Pain et des Idées, which means bread and ideas. And it's a famous place for their croissants, like they are in top 1 in many lists on the internet. We need to try it.
Let's go, I'm ready.
I just love the classic vibe with the title Boulangerie, Pâtisserie. I love it. You can eat at the windows or even on a table here. But usually bakeries are not like coffee shops. They don't have any room inside to sit.
I feel like I'm photobombing you.
The inside of the bakery is really pretty. Even the ceiling is beautiful. It's not really big, but many bakeries are like this size. You can't sit inside. It's more for takeaways. I've just seen they say chocolatine instead of pain au chocolat. We need to go. We can't try it. Pain au chocolat with banana. I need to try it. We need to try this one. They're also famous for the escargot here, the snails, with I don't know, maybe blueberries, pistachio. Okay, we are at this little corner outside of the bakery. We took one croissant and one pain au chocolat with banana inside for 680 euros. It's a bit expensive, but maybe it's the chocolate and banana who cost that much. Okay, let's try with the pain au chocolat with banana inside.
It's a chocolatine.
What did you say?
Huh?
Okay, it looks like a regular pain au chocolat, but you can see maybe a little bit of banana melting. Repeat.
Let's go.
Okay. Oh, it rips like in just one strike. It looks kind of regular pain au chocolat, but a little bit of banana here. It's a bit sticky on the outside. Let's try.
Bon appetit.
Oh, I love the texture. The edges are crispy, but I'm a bit disappointed because the chocolate is not melting. Like it's not warm out of the oven. But maybe it's because it's noon and they made it like a few hours ago.
It's our fault.
So it's okay. But I think I prefer a regular pain au chocolat. What do you think?
I don't agree. I like the banana because I usually eat pain suisse because there's like a lot of chocolate. This one, it's like there's a little banana in there, so there's like something special. Like, I don't know.
The real croissant,
Oula,
elected
wow,
by many
wow,
websites as one of the best in Paris. Okay, it looks really nice.
It looks like fake.
Fake. It looks so good that it looks fake. You can see that the edges, we call it the ear of the croissant, are a bit thick. It's not pointy. It's shiny. It's beautiful. It looks a bit dense inside. You know, I want to bite it.
Oh.
Okay,
well,
is it airy inside? It's not really bubbly. Maybe it's more a dense croissant. Which part do you want to try? Like the best one with this on the edge, or the little one with less taste?
both.
She gave me the best one. I'm not taking it from her, okay?
I gave it to him.
Okay.
It was
I'm not
consensual.
sexist. Okay, let's try.
I'm sure you
You feel the butter inside? You feel the taste of butter? But it's not too sweet. I thought it would be sweeter. It could be a good croissant for like a brunch with a savory croissant.
Yeah.
Or put something inside. I think it can work really nice. But it's not really airy inside, like it's not really bubbly. You can't see the honeycomb structure inside, so it's more dense. I know it's not the best one. It's not the best one I tried in Paris. Yeah, the croissant is not really airy inside, you know. It's kind of a brioche when you eat it at the end. What am I seeing?
What is this wrong?
You have some Ricola.
Ricola.
This is my favorite. I stopped drinking. I don't do drugs. My only addiction, Ricola. Pay me. Ricola, please pay me. In many supermarkets in France, you can hear like American songs with explicit lyrics. But we don't care because many people don't understand what they are saying.
Yeah.
We don't care. Like you can say explicit lyrics and that's okay. It's music. So for an American audience, it can be really weird to go like to the supermarket, buying some groceries and hearing like some big gangster rap.
Like we were renting equipment for a shoot one time, and I literally was hearing like Snoop Dogg playing like in the office, you know, and it was very casual.
We want to shoot. Just look. The truck wants to turn. Many cars are in traffic. After trying Du Pain et des Idées, who was okay but not the best, we need to try Liberté Boulangerie. It's a place I really like. They have many shops in Paris, even one for a brunch. And this one, you have some tables inside. The vibe is more modern and industrial than Du Pain et des Idées. But I know they made really good stuff. Okay, we took 1 croissant, 1 lemon pie and an espresso for you.
Yeah.
All of this costs 790 euros and the croissant is 140. It's the price you can find for a croissant in Paris. Usually it can be like 110, 120. The vibe of Liberté is more modern and industrial. It's not like a classic bakery. In this shop, this one near République, they don't have a big choice of pastries. It's more like for lunch, they have sandwiches, but they also have like a brunch shop, and this one is really good. If you want me to try a French brunch, we can make a video at their place. Okay, this one looks more bulk than the other, and it looks also really crispy. When you touch it, you can see the flakes. I can't wait to try it. But let's try the lemon pie first.
You know.
Go for it, girl, go for it.
I'm trying, I'm gonna break it. Delicioso. It's gonna be my go-to phrase. One up. Oh, I'm really happy with this one. This is a good choice.
The cream is so good. It's lemony, it's sweet,
It's perfect.
but it's not too sour.
It's perfect.
Okay, now we need to try the croissant. You say it looks like a chicken nuggets?
Yeah, it's like that. It's like a chicken when they rotate.
The rotisserie chicken. You know? Okay. I love this texture. When it's
Yeah.
repeat and you have like it's pointy, you can see the inside coming like that. It looks really good.
This looks much better than the other one.
She's spilling the tea. Let's go.
Yeah.
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 It's far more crispier than the first one from Du Pain et des Idées. It's really light inside, so you can take like 1 croissant and not feel like filled up.
Look down.
You can see all the flakes everywhere on the table. It's a sign that it's a good croissant. And the ear here, it just looks so crispy. Yeah, it's so crispy, it's melting in my mouth. You don't really feel the butter inside, but it's a crispy, airy, light croissant. If you like croissant like that, it's perfect. We just tried Liberté. It was the best one for today. Let's try one of my favorite bakeries in Paris. Let's go. And we are at Mamish. It's one of my favorite bakeries. You can see that there is a big line waiting because it's a popular place. They have 2 shops in Paris. I know that their croissant is good. You need to try it.
I want to try it, but like also it's like 1 p.m. So.
Yes, it's not the time for croissant. But you know what? Every time is a croissant time.
Oh la la.
That's it. They really have a sticker that says gentrified place. What is that? As many other bakeries, it's a really small shop inside, but the food is good. What do you want to try?
Do you like carrot cake?
I really like carrot cake.
They have one.
But it will be difficult to eat like just standing up. They're also famous for the choux vanille with vanilla cream inside, but it was for only €1 before the inflation.
I changed my mind.
You want to try the brioche?
Yeah, I'd rather get the brioche. Look at it. It's like it looks like Hawaiian bread.
The croissant cost 140. It's like Liberté.
It smells so good though.
This one looks amazing.
This one looks like the best one.
I already know it's a big one because I've tried it like 1 or 2 years ago and I still remember the taste. But you need to try this one. But let's start with the brioche first. We're gonna keep the croissant for the end. This brioche bowl is for €1.
It's perfect.
I'm just touching one bite and it's so buttery in my hands. Okay. Yeah.
It's good.
It's really sweet, really buttery, everything we like. This is a bakery that is not the light, healthy bakery. It's for comfort food. It's for the fat, the sugar. It's for the pleasure. I think it's time to try the croissant. Okay, yes. It looks really crispy. It's time. The crispiness, this part like the belt of the croissant is just so crispy. You feel the butter inside. That's a heavy and good croissant.
It's good, but I like the other one more.
The second one? So if we have to choose between the 3 croissants, which one is your favorite?
The second one, a Liberté?
Yep.
Yeah, Liberté.
I think I also prefer Liberté because it was good, crispy, but it was really light. So maybe because we ate a lot. If we started with Mamish, it would be the first one. But we are not hungry anymore, so it's a bit different. That's it for today. We tried 3 of the best croissants in Paris, 3 of the most famous ones. If you want a part 2, I have a list of many other croissants that I want to try. Tell us in the comments if you want a part 2. If you want to visit Paris and discover the French culture, don't forget to subscribe. I post every day. See you tomorrow.
Let's go.